Hey, Nichelle, Trent Tate, your NEA Auto Buying Service Representative here at Tameron Honda. Saw you'd inquired about one of our Honda Civic LXs, and I have one in my beautiful Lunar Silver Metallic here behind me. You're talking Kelley Blue Book's Best Overall Buy, Top Safety Pick Plus, North American Car of the Year when it was released. It rides like a dream, and I can't wait to show it to you in person. Give me a call at 205-504-2358. Again, my name is Trent Tate, and I'll be your personal product specialist when you arrive at the dealership. And if I can promise you one thing, when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.